Ale
Hey
jakože on to
guys, back
online
early
ani
to
Epstein, kamo.
Today we're gonna be playing some animal rivals again, but we're gonna be playing some team deathmatch. So let's get into it.
Berko, ty mě neguiduješ. Boom. Ow! My other hand! Where did my hand go? Kamo, Berko, kde jsi?
Oh my god, I hate people that use fucking shenanigans. It's so annoying.
My game is negative 100 health.
Oh my god, man.
Everybody in the car, but yeah. Jo, to jsi oficer? Ne, tady střílíš lidi prostě, to je hrozně dobré.
Oh my god.
Dej mi táto ruku.
Five kills.
No?
Let's go.
Ne, počkej, takhle.
One more. I swear to God, but if I could just trust me.
Já jsem online, takže tam lidi mluví.
Hey, man.
I want the first one in.
Red team.
Red team. The goat.
Oh, no.
The goat. Red team, the goat.
Oh my god.
No, I just need to.
Bruh, the whole team's behind a wall. Nah.
Red team, the goat. Red team.
Okay, we're gonna join a different one. Everybody's literally just stealing my kills, bro. Like everybody's literally just everybody's stealing my kills, and also everybody's just like double teaming and spamming, and everybody's using auto shotgun and normal shotgun. So we're not playing in there. And yeah, guys, I hit King Pong yesterday. Oh my god, I can't get up there.
Hey guys.
So,
You guys, it's going all the way through. There's infinite. I can shoot anybody out with one arm.
With what?
One arm.
Hello.
No, you can't. Yes, I can.
I can't. Higher level.
I'm missing one.
Face my fuel.
Everybody, English or Spanish?
Exit.
Like, bro, oh my god.
Hey, yo, English or Spanish? Whoever was English or Spanish? Yeah,
How do they show me through a fucking wall, bro?
yeah.
Never knew this was good. And when are they gonna be adding hookshot though? Like actually, like what are they gonna be adding now? Like bro, people been talking about it. Like it's gonna be coming out soon. On like everybody's been talking about it. Like everybody's been saying it's gonna come out soon. It's been like a week. It's been like 1 or 2 weeks. It's been like and what? Can you please tell me when this hookshot's gonna be coming out already? Like actually. Because literally 2 weeks ago, I watched a YouTube video on where it said hookshot's gonna be coming out soon. It's been 2 weeks. Still not out. I thought it would be coming out on like on like St. Patrick's Day or something. Like the update of St. Patrick's. I thought that would be coming out on St. Patrick's Day, but it's okay. The only thing that it is St. Patrick's Day bundle. Like bro, when are they gonna be adding it?
Oh, dang, I died.
Nice, right? Bro. If it's not out by May, it's probably not gonna be here. It's probably not gonna. Like, bro. Hey, bro, we've been talking about this since like beginning of the month, and now it's about it is literally about to be and I didn't know. We're like 1 or 2 we're like 1 or 2 weeks about to be the end of March. Like we're like shot already. Bro, I need that movement. Like bro.
What, bro? I keep watching.
Bro, imagine I had a shot, I would be like, I'd be like, grapple.
What? What are
Okay,
these people doing?
grapple right
Yo,
there.
why are you guys
Grapple right
double
there. And go ahead. And no, my I'm waiting. Because the last time they updated was yesterday on the 18th. Wait, bro. Okay, guys, that will be it for today's video. Oh my god. just somebody comment. Please tell me when the next gun is coming out, bro. Like, bro, I need to know, bro. So, bye.